Dad! The lights are gone!
Everyone, stay away from the window.
Come here, stay close to me. Is the hurricane here? Everyone stay calm.
We are together. I'm scared.
What's happening outside? Everyone, please evacuate now.
We're ready.
Stay close to us.
I won't let go.
This way, everyone.
Stay close. We're almost there. You're both doing great.
The wind is so strong. Hurry! The bus is waiting.
Stay together. Don't stop.
We're almost safe.
We made it.
Wow.
The streets are flooded.
The rescue teams are helping everyone.
We're safe together. I think we're almost there.
Welcome. Please come inside.
We're safe now.
This place looks safe. Let's go inside.
Welcome. May I have your family name?
My name is David Parker.
Here are your family passes.
Let's sit down and rest.
The storm is getting stronger. I heard thunder again.
This shelter is built to keep us safe. We'll stay here until the storm passes. Good news. The hurricane is getting weaker.
Really? That's wonderful.
We stayed safe together.
I'm so glad we came here.
The storm is past. It is now safe to leave.
The sun is shining again.
We're going home together.
What? Everything looks so different.
People are already helping the city recover.
Everyone is working together.
We're almost back.
Welcome back. We're happy to see you. Thank you for keeping everyone safe. Your room is ready.
I can't wait to see our room. Our room is still here.
Everything looks perfect.
What a peaceful morning. The storm is finally over. The beach is beautiful again.
We'll never forget this adventure.
I found the prettiest shell.
Today is a brand new beginning.
Our sandcastle is getting bigger. Our sandcastle is finished. Mom, why are the clouds getting darker?
I think the weather is changing. Let's keep watching the weather. Everyone, please come out of the water.
Dad, what's happening?
The sea is becoming dangerous. We can build another one later. David,
Look at this. It says,
Hurricane Watch.
are we safe? Everyone is watching the TV. The storm is getting closer.
We should be ready, just in case. I hope everyone stays safe.
Please read this safety guide.
We should follow every instruction.
Will the storm be very big? We'll stay together, and we'll be safe.
Let's pack everything we might need.
I packed my favorite toy.
I want to keep it safe. I think the storm is getting closer.
Attention guests, please remain inside the hotel and continue following official weather updates.
Are we staying here tonight?
Yes, we'll stay together and listen carefully.
The hurricane watch has changed to a hurricane warning.
We're prepared, and we'll stay together.
I'm glad we're all together.
Please bring your emergency bag and come with us to the interior safety area.
Stay close to us.
We're ready.
Please stay together and keep walking.
The lights blinked.
It's okay. The emergency lights are working. Everyone, let's go inside. The shelter is secure. Please remain seated.
It's so loud outside. The storm is outside. We're safe in here.
The shelter is secure. Please remain seated.
It's so loud outside.
The storm is outside.
We're safe in here.
Sure.
I think it's getting quieter. The rain is slowing down.
The worst part of the storm is past. Please remain inside until it's safe. We stayed together. Sector Gamma clear. The structure is holding. Over.
It's loud, but we are safe in here, darling. Try to rest.
The hurricane has moved away from our area. I can see brighter skies.
We stayed calm, and it helped everyone.
Please wait for the official all clear before leaving the shelter.
The official all clear has been given. Please continue carefully.
The sun is coming out.
Look, a rainbow. The storm is over.
Let's be...
Watch your step. The ground is still wet.
The air smells so fresh. It's helping.
After every storm, people help each other rebuild. Thank you for helping everyone stay safe.
Yeah.
You stayed calm and followed the safety plan. That made a big difference.
I'm proud of how brave you both were. The sky is so beautiful again.
My little seashell stayed safe. just like us. When we stay calm and help,
The ocean is peaceful again. I'll always remember this trip.
every new day brings new hope.
What a beautiful
The
morning.
beach is open again.
This will always remind me of our adventure. The best part of this trip was being together.
Thank you for taking such good care of us.
It was our pleasure. Have a safe trip home.
Thank you. We'll never forget this trip.
Everyone is working together.
The city is getting stronger every day.
I'll always remember Miami.
Home is waiting, but we'll always remember this adventure.
Good morning.
Welcome.
May I see your passports, please? Look,
That airplane is so big.
you kept your special memory safe.
I can't wait to fly. My seashell is coming home with us.
This trip gave us wonderful memories. Our next adventure is waiting at home.
We're taking off.
Goodbye, Miami.
What an unforgettable adventure. Some memories stay with us forever.
I'm not scared of storms anymore. This seashell reminds me to be brave.
We learned that staying calm helps us make good choices.
We're home. My seashell came home with me.
The best part of every trip is coming home together.
Let's go home and treasure these memories forever.
This seashell will always remind me to be brave. Our family stayed together. Love and courage made us stronger.